Joining us with more details on this is Vijay Kao, who is in Kaushambi right now. Vijay, it is day 2 for the newly crowned Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. What will be his day plan for today? Take us through that.
Well, as of now, there's no concrete plan. Today being a Sunday, Arvind Kejriwal is still at his residence in Kaushambi, Ghaziabad. But celebrations already underway at his residence. A large number of people have gathered here. Some of them are employees, temporary employees of the Delhi Transport Corporation, and they've come over here and they are sending congratulatory messages to the newly sworn-in Delhi Chief Minister. However, having said that and going by the way Arvind cracked down on various secretaries of various departments of the Delhi government, it seems that today too he will be having talks with his chief secretary and other officials of the Delhi government. We do know that yesterday he did crack down upon a number of officials. He did have a cabinet reshuffle. He also made it very, very clear that no Delhi government official or secretary will use a red beacon. He also said that issues of power tariff reduction and also free water, 700 litres of water, will be addressed in about 3 days. And also he said that there will be a corruption hotline, an anti-corruption hotline that will be installed shortly, and people should use that to lodge any complaints vis-a-vis corruption. So that is what we know so far. We also know that Arvind is expected probably to come out of the house at around 10:30, and when he will be going towards his Hanuman Mandir Aam Aadmi Party office. There is also a possibility of Arvind Kejriwal going and inspecting the new accommodation that he is supposed to be staying in from now on. Back to you, Amita.
Well, thank you very much, Vijay Kao, for giving us all those details on day 2 of what Arvind Kejriwal, the new Chief Minister of Delhi, will be doing.